What is 1.78 minus 0.8? Is it A, 0.88, B, 1.28, C, 0.98, D, 1.47? Welcome to NovaMathics. Today we're diving into the exciting world of decimals. What is 0.5? How is 0.75 different from 0.25? Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step with fun questions and clear answers. So grab your thinking caps and let's get started on this decimal adventure. 1. What is 15.5 minus 12.15? Correct answer is 3.35. Think of it like regular subtraction, just with decimals. You'll get 3.35. 2. What is 17.3 plus 7.87? Correct answer is 25.17. First line up the decimal points, then add each digit. You get 25.17. 3. What is 7.8 minus 3.57? Correct answer is 4.23. We subtract 7.8 minus 3.57, and the result is 4.23. 4. What is 1.05 minus 0.94? Correct answer is 0.11. Line up the decimal points and subtract carefully. The answer is 0.11. 5. What is 14.0 plus 2.21? Correct answer is 16.21. Just add them as usual, and the decimal stays in place. You get 16.21. 6. What is 5.9 plus 9.29? Correct answer is 15.19. Let's add them just like whole numbers. Keep the decimal in line. The result is 15.19. 7. What is 9.49 minus 7.68? Correct answer is 1.81. Perform subtraction column by column, starting from the right, and the result is 1.81. 8. What is 3.8 plus 4.09? Correct answer is 7.89. Start adding from the right and remember the decimal. Final result is 7.89. 9. What is 14.35 minus 2.06? Correct answer is 12.29. We subtract 14.35 minus 2.06, and the result is 12.29. 10. What is 4.33 minus 2.3? Correct answer is 2.03. Perform subtraction column by column, starting from the right, and the result is 2.03. 11. What is 13.3 minus 4.7? Correct answer is 8.60. We subtract 13.3 minus 4.7, and the result is 8.60. 12. What is 6.9 minus 1.73? Correct answer is 5.17. Think of it like regular subtraction, just with decimals. You'll get 5.17. 13. What is 14.4 plus 2.8? Correct answer is 17.20. First line up the decimal points, then add each digit. You get $17.20. 14. What is 16.43 minus 8.9? Correct answer is 7.53. Make sure the decimal points match. Subtract step by step, and you get 7.53. 15. What is 16.43 minus 8.9? Correct answer is 23.30. When you add 14.0 plus 9.3, you get 23.30. Easy, right? 16. What is 12.75 plus 8.54? Correct answer is 21.29. First line up the decimal points, then add each digit. You get $21.29. 17. What is 2.08 plus 7.38? Correct answer is 9.46. Start adding from the right and remember the decimal. The final result is 9.46. 18. What is 7.35 plus 2.3? Correct answer is 9.65. We add them step by step, making sure the decimal points are lined up. 19. What is 1.78 minus 0.8? Correct answer is 0.98. Subtract each digit, starting from the right. Keep the decimal in place. You get 0.98. 20. What is 17.9 minus 15.48? Correct answer is 2.42. Start with the larger number, subtract the smaller one, and keep the decimal in line. 21. What is 13.63 minus 7.09? Correct answer is 6.54. Subtract each digit starting from the right. Keep the decimal in place. You get 6.54. 22. What is 12.47 minus 2.73? Correct answer is 9.74. Think of it like regular subtraction, just with decimals. You'll get 9.74. 23. What is 14.1 plus 1.9? Correct answer is 16. We add them step by step, making sure the decimal points are lined up. 24. What is 6.7 plus 5.58? Correct answer is 12.28. Perform addition column by column, starting from the right. 25. What is 12.57 plus 7.07? Correct answer is 19.64. Start adding from the right and remember the decimal. 26. What is 4.47 minus 2.25? Correct answer is 2.22. We subtract 4.47 minus 2.25, and the result is 2.22. 27. What is 6.45 plus 5.25? Correct answer is 11.70. First, line up the decimal points, then add each digit. You get $11.70. 28. What is 10.83 plus 5.2? Correct answer is 16.03. Just add them as usual, and the decimal stays in place. You get 16.03. 29. What is 8.1 plus 8.69? Correct answer is 16.79. When you add 8.1 plus 8.69, you get 16.79. Easy, right? 30. What is 6.8 minus 2.86? Correct answer is 3.94. Subtract each digit starting from the right. Keep the decimal in place. You get 3.94. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you in the next one.